Welcome to Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the best place to buy, sell, and work. We are delighted to have you as our client and look forward to helping you find your dream home. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing exceptional service and expert guidance throughout the entire process. We understand the importance of this decision and we will work very closely with you to get your needs and preferences and find the perfect property that meets all of your requirements. Our goal is to make the experience of buying or selling a home as smooth and as stress-free as possible for you. We look forward to working with you and making your real estate dreams a true reality. If you have any feedback on our systems, our people, or our processes, please feel free to call, email, DM, or text me directly. We look forward to help you find your dream home.